How to fix iPhone vibration not working. First up, go to the settings of your device and scroll down until you see the accessibility option among the various options that you can see. Once you see the option, click on it, and then under the physical and motor option, you can see an option called touch. Click on the option and this will take you to a new page. Here, scroll down until you see an option called vibration. As you can see, the vibration is turned on. If it is turned off, make sure this option is turned on to fix your vibration not working in your iPhone. Turning the button on means that the vibration is now turned on. And this is how you can easily fix vibration not working in your phone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.